Good morning, students. In your last class, we started one chapter, that is formulas and functions. In today's class, we are going to see some of the topics from this chapter, like creating a basic formula, creating a compound formula, using formula on text, what is a cell range, how to select a range, using a range in formula, how to name a range, and how to use named range in a formula. So let's start. I have already created one Excel sheet here. So just some of the data I have filled up here. So first we are going to see how we can use a simple formula. Okay, so for that I have to double click on this, then I am just typing equal sign. So just remember, all the formulas or functions will start with an equal sign. So now here if you see 45, for this 45, this if you see the cell address is C2, okay, then C2 plus, then this one is D2. So I will type D in caps, I will type D2. So then plus, next one is your E2. So if you see, all these cells are like indicated with different colors. Okay, so once I press enter key, so I'll get the result, that is your 107. Again for this one I can type equal sign. Again it will be what? C3. So C3 plus D3 plus E3. So is equal C3 plus D3 plus E3. If I press enter, again I'll get the result. Again I am typing is equal to C4, this time C4 plus D4 plus E4. So if I press enter, I'll get the result. So this kind of formulas are known as simple formula. So where only one operation is done. Okay, only one operation is performed. So next one, same thing we will do with the help of a function. Okay, there are many functions, afterwards we will see those names and all these things we will see in the next classes, but to tell you or to just give a one example, what function I will use? I will use the function sum. So then what I can do, I can give shift, then that 9 I can press, then I will get this one, shift then 9, then I will get this bracket. Okay, then I will write the cell range. Okay, this is what? C, this one, that is your C2. Okay, C2, then I'll give this colon, then this one is what? E2. Then if I press enter, I'll get the same kind of result. So this from C2 to E2, this is called a range. And how can you select a range? You just press the shift key, then you can select like this. Okay, so what I am selecting from C2 to E2. I am selecting this one. If I select this range, shift like this. Okay, from C3 to E3. I am starting from C3, then I am pressing shift key, then the arrow key. Okay, right arrow key I am pressing. So it's going like this. So it will be selected from C3 to E3. So in this formula, if you see what I am using this cell range, sum, bracket, then C2 to E2. This C2 to E2 is called as cell range, and the cell range can be used in a function. Okay, those cell ranges can be used in a function. Here also, if I want to use this cell range, so again I will type sum, then shift, then 9. Okay, then you'll get this in the bracket, you'll get, then what I'll type, C3. So immediately it will detect here, it will indicate here, then C3, then colon, again E3. Again I'll close the bracket by pressing shift, then 0 above. Okay, shift, then 0, you'll see in the keyboard. Okay, so if I press enter, I'll get the result. Same result I'm getting. Here I'm using a simple formula, and here I'm using the function. That function you can see here, and if you click here in the formula, in this formula bar, you'll see the formula here. Okay, and here if I click here, then you'll see the function. Okay, again here also I'm using the cell range. I'm typing sum, then bracket, then C4, then I can type E4. Okay, then I can press enter. So in both the cases, here I am using a simple formula, and here I am using the function. Okay, so this average, when I'm going to take this average, here I am doing two things. Like first I am adding it, then I am just dividing it by 3, because total number of you can say subjects are 3, so I'm dividing it by 3. So the two operations are happening here. First one is addition, then I am doing this one, that is your division. So this kind of you can say formulas are known as compound formula. So here I'm going to show you how you can write the compound formula in two ways. First I'm writing, like I'm just giving equal, then I'm just writing the cell addresses. Before that I'll give bracket, then it will be C2 plus D2 plus E2. So it does not matter if you're writing with uppercase or lowercase. Earlier I have written with uppercase, now I'm writing lowercase. So then this is done, then I can give the division. That's backslash, it is known, it acts as a we can say division sign. Okay, here in the Excel. So divided by 3, so I'll get the average. So 35.66. so here I have got this average, but in another way I can do, because that here I have already got the total. So what I can write, the cell address of this cell, what is it? This is your F3. So is equal to F3, then divide by 3. So if I write like this, I'll get the result. See, and that result can be, I can get it from here also, because here also I have already used the function. So here I can write is equal, then it is your G4 divided by 3. So I am getting it as 42. So till now we have seen how we can write one simple or basic formula, then how we can write this complex formula here in average, then we have seen how we can select the range. Like I am selecting here from shift, I am giving this, selecting this range, and how we can use this range in, you can say, function. So here I am using, okay, so these things we have learned. So after this I'll move to the topic like using formula on text. Till now we are these formulas or functions we have used on the numbers, Now just you have seen that I have written two words here, Manav and Datta. So this one, how can I write? I'll write is equal, okay, then I'll just give Manav, then again I'll write this n sign, and again I'll give du Datta. So if I press enter, you'll see Manav Datta, right? It's coming like as one word. Now if I want to give space, just see how I can write. I'm writing it here. I'm writing equal, okay, then I'm writing Manav, then I'll give that end. Now again I'll give this sign, double quotation, then I'll give one space, then again I'll finish it, again I'll write and again I'll just start with this double quotation, then now I'll write Datta, then I'll just close it. If I press enter, you'll see it will come as two words, okay. So like this you can use, this is how you can use formulas on text, okay. Now we are going to see a very interesting thing. So if you go to this part, you'll see that sum C2, then colon E2, then this function, this one you can just name it, okay, and we can store this function or this part we can store it as a name, okay. Those things can be named and we can store it, and those name can be used in a function, okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to this formulas. In formulas, then you will find, here you will find define name. Below one more define name is there, just click here, you will get a window, okay. So this name I want to give total marks Akash, total marks Akash, okay. Now I'll delete everything here, whatever I have. So now I'm going to select this one. What is called sheet 1, because it is in sheet 1, then this C2, okay. Now I'm going to give this colon. So now again this C2 is coming. Once I select this one, so it is just selecting from C2 to E2, okay. So this one, total name Akash, I can save it. The name that you entered is not valid, okay. So maybe I have to give some underscore, okay. So there shouldn't be any space, I think, okay. Now I will try it, okay. Now see, it is saved. So this total marks Akash, we can use it in a formula. So if I write, see, I'm just writing SUM, in bracket I'm writing TO, total. See, it's already showing total marks Akash, right? It's already showing it here. So just I'm clicking it. Total marks then Akash. If I press enter, I'll get the result. See, I'm getting it here. So that is how you can use it. This name, whatever name we have given to a range, that name of the range can be used in a function. So in today's class, we have learned all these topics. Go through it, go through the video, and in your book from page number 16 to 19. And in case of any doubt, please ask me. And I have also attached one PDF. There are some questions. That is your homework, and you have to submit it in time. Please do it and be safe, be at home. Thank you.